Got a John Deere 740 standard axle. I'm going to show you why it's standard. First, we can show you the OEM number and the marked number on the right hand side, marked number on the left hand side. So there's two giveaways on how we know standard versus heavy or heavy duty. It has 740 on the knuckle and it has a 740 knuckle. 750 will be larger here and it'll have 750 here, which just makes it a 740 heavy duty. Also, the U-joint is the smallest U-joint in the group. And what we call a little fisheye is how we identify that as the 740. So these are 7130, 7230s, 7220s, and a few 7320s. These are prone to go bad here. There's not a lot of meat here. And also the bearing will burn out here. This one does look like it actually had a grease fitting or grease added to it or came with it. So that's a plus. A lot of those don't have it. But they do not have grease fittings on the kingpins. So this is brand new axle. We also sell them, if they test good, we sell them good used. We also rebuild these. And we have upgrade options also.